Welcome to this video. I'm presenting answers and questions to financial accounting in CPA foundational level, or what we used to call CPA Part 1 Section 1. These are November 2020 questions. The first question was to outline 4 reasons for incomplete accounting records in an organization. Then Part B, you were required to do journal entries to correct the errors. Narration not required. Then statement of adjusted profit for the period ended 30th April 2020 and adjusted statement of financial position as at 30th April 2020. Go to question 2. Question 2, Part A, you are required to distinguish between the direct and indirect methods of preparing a statement of cash flows. And in Part B of question 2, you are required to do a statement of cash flow in accordance with International Accounting Standard 7, Statement of Cash Flow for the year ended at 1st December 2019. Go to question 3. This is a question on partnership, where you are required in Part A to prepare a statement of profit or loss and appropriation account in a columnar form for the two periods ended 30th September 2019 and that 1st March 2020. Part B, partners capital account. Part C, partners current account. And Part D, statement of financial position as at that 1st March 2020. Question 4 of Term Limited is a company that manufactures. So in this question 4, you were required to do a manufacturing account for the year ended that 1st March 2020 and Part B, a statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st March 2020. Go to the final question, that is question 5. It was a theoretical question where you are required in Part A to explain the following accounting concept, that is matching concept and realization concept. And Part B, one of the qualities of accounting information is reliability. So highlight 4 characteristics that accounting information could have in order for it to be reliable. Part C, outline 6 challenges that might be faced by an organization that is switching from a manual accounting system to a computerized accounting system. And Part D, discuss the resources of income for non-profit making organization. So the answers are here for these are the answers for Part A of question 1. Reason for incomplete accounting records in an organization. Then we have Part B answers of journal entries to correct the errors. These are the journal entries to correct the errors. Then we have a statement of adjusted profit for the period. The rest are the workings. And then we have the adjusted statement of financial position. The adjusted statement of financial position. Then question 2, where we are required to distinguish between the direct and indirect method of preparing a statement of cash flow. The answer of that Part A of question 2 is here. So you can use these answers when you are preparing for the upcoming examinations. Then we have Part B. These are the workings for Part B. And then we have the statement of cash flow. The statement of cash flow of Chui Limited. We go to question 3. These are the workings for part A of that question. Workings. Remember, in this question, sometimes you find that you have to do a lot of workings for you to come up with the correct figure that is required. And then the statement of profit and loss of those partners is here. This is a statement of loss and appropriation account for the year ended 30th March 2020. It is prepared in a columnar form as required by the question. Then part B, we have the partners' capital accounts. This is the partners' capital account of Reddy Emerson and Priska. Then part C, we have the partners' current accounts. And finally, part D of that question, we have the statement of financial position as at that 1st March 2020. We continue to question 4. We have the manufacturing account of Tamu Limited for the year ended that 1st March 2020. That is the manufacturing account. Then we have some workings. Workings continue. And then we have part B of the statement of profit or loss for the year ended that 1st March 2020. Finally, we have question 5, which was a theoretical question. Explain the following accounting concept. The accounting concept are as explained below. Then part B, what make accounting information reliable. Then part C, 6 challenges that might be faced by an organization that is switching from manual accounting system to a computerized accounting system. The answers are here. And finally, part D, 3 sources of income for non-profit making organization. So the answers are here. We have subscription, donation, and grants. Those are some of the sources of income for non-profit making organization. Thank you very much, and subscribe to this channel as we will discuss how some of these questions are done.